Hey guys, in today's video, I will be showing you a alternative solution to Screen Studio for Windows. Now, Screen Studio is really amazing, but the only problem is that it is only available on Mac. In this video, we are going to talk about Tella TV. This is a really amazing alternative to Screen Studio because it can go ahead and work with Windows as well. And if you click on the first link on the description below and create a new account, you will get 30% off of their paid plans. So you make sure to check out the deals that we have on the description below. So after you're on their website, you just have to go ahead and sign up and create a new account by entering your details. Right after, you will now be taken to your dashboard right here. Now in here from your dashboard, you want to head over to the record video option to go ahead and get started with Tella TV. Once inside, you can go ahead and choose between your webcam, your screen, and many more. In my case, to make things easier, I'll just go ahead and click on the share screen option right here. And once inside, it will then go ahead and prompt you to this window where you have to select a window that you want to share. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on the screen one, go ahead and click on share, and now our screen is being shared on Tella TV. If you want to go ahead and start recording, you can just go ahead and click on this button, and as you can go ahead and see, my webcam is also recording as of the moment. So now you want to go ahead and click on the play button, and from here we can now go ahead and get started. Hey guys, I'm recording this video as an example. Thank you, goodbye. Right after editing, you can just go ahead and click on this button, and we have managed to create a video with just few clicks. Go ahead and click on your clip right here, and it will now go ahead and take you to the editing page of Tella TV. As you can go ahead and see, this is the video that we have recorded a while back. From here, we can then go ahead and edit out this video with simple few clicks. For example, you have the trim videos right here. If you want to shorten your video, you can just go ahead and drag the end of your clip right here the way you want to. Now, right after, go ahead and click on the X button, and you have managed to trim your clip right here. If you are describing something inside this video, you can just go ahead and click on zoom, click on add zoom, and from here we can then go ahead and manually select which part of the video that we want to zoom. You also have something like your background. If you want to change the background of your video right here, you're free to do so. You have your border, subtitles for automatic subtitling, and more. So guys, once again, if you want to get ahead and get the best deals for Tella TV, you can just head over to the link on the description box below. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.